Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn essay on my best friend. So let's start. I have many friends, but my best friend is Kavya. We study in the same class and sit together. My best friend is kind and helpful. We play together every day. We share our lunch and books. My best friend is very good at studying. We love to draw and paint together. She always helps me when I need it. We have lots of fun in school. We also visit each other's houses. My best friend is very honest. She never tells lies. We love to play outdoor games. I am lucky to have such a wonderful friend. I pray that we stay best friends forever. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and